Hey everyone, welcome back to my tutorial. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to create this Captain America's shield, along with hover effect, using CSS and Tilt.js library. Before proceeding further, please be sure to subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. So, without any further ado, let's jump into the tutorial. Open your code editor. Then create an HTML file. Use the link tag to include our CSS file. In the body, create a div element with class as container. Inside it, create another div with class as circle outer. Inside it, create another div with class as circle middle. Inside it, create another div with class as circle inner. Inside it, create another div with class as circle center. Inside it, create another div with class as star. Our HTML part is ready. Let's write the CSS. Create a CSS file. For the body, set position to absolute. Set top and left to 50%. Set transform to translate with X and Y values as -50%. Set background color to dark navy blue color. For the circle class, set display to flex. Set justify content to center. Set align items to center. Set border radius to 50%. For the outer and inner class, set background image to linear gradient at 45 degrees. Set first color to dark carmine color. Set second color to light amaranth color. Third color will be same as first color. For the middle and star class, set background image to linear gradient at 45 degrees. Set first color to light gray color. Set second color to white color. Third color will be same as first color. For the outer class, set width and height to 750 pixels. For the middle class, set width and height to 600 pixels. For the inner class, set width and height to 450 pixels. For the center class, set width and height to 300 pixels. Set background image to linear gradient at 45 degrees. Set first color to Congress blue color. Set second color to royal blue color. Third color will be same as first color. For the star class, set width and height to 100%. Now, open the CSS Clip Path Maker, and copy the code for the star shape. Paste it in the star class. Here, the shield is ready. To add the hover effect, we will use Vanilla-Tilt.js library. Link to download will be in description. I have already downloaded it. Include it in our HTML file, using script tag. Now, add data tilt attribute to the container div. So here, our final effect is ready. So, that's all for today. Hope you have enjoyed the tutorial. Please be sure to drop a like on this video, and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. I will meet you in the next one. Till then, good luck and peace.